First, the top stories. Chief Minister Biren stresses on ponder about people's mindset. Manipur economy boost only when agricultural yield increases, says Hungkalian. And Assam Rifles beefs up security on India-Myanmar border after More blast. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. The 36th anniversary of Yaibilen Children Home was celebrated today at its premises located at KB Sanapat of Imphal East. Chief Minister N. Biren, Consumer Affairs Minister Karamsiam and other dignitaries were present at the celebration. Speaking at the function, Chief Minister N. Biren underlined the need to ponder about the mindset of the people and express confusion whether or not the state is going the right way. Talking about the recent Potsangbam Upokpi incident, Biren underlined the need to change the perception of what he called bigoted people. He added that if such incidents are not checked properly, the state could be ruined.
Yam talent lore koi gida laiba talent sidi innovative ideas Bharat ta prithvi da laiba jati khudi maka compete to bang madu magi brain ideas loi nai khoi da lai nupa na draga nupi immoral thaba ma torame madu fajana pharaga police ta ain gi matung ina sinnabe ay madu na tabe hakta wow law no hupsel laga Hector Quiggy Yam the barbaric way with Nungi Jupkit. What Kalgum may quit the lay, we don't know what say. Me heard any loiner than they. Mashisum to Hogler request societies in Mangani.
Speaking about today's event, Chief Minister said that service to mankind is the greatest service. He further lauded the home, which has been operational for the past 36 years. Biren assured that the government would make efforts to provide more assistance to the home.
Remind to one Ningsang Bama. I talked to the Canadian and the other Madam D. Government's priority basis the Tabuk Toropan Hujiti, Matang. Yaringa Yakui pill the implement on the Bohonare. Adun Apaba Sigi Hansing Karasinayam, commitment Tamagaloina Katoga Tori was Yaquimam, Sankalamating Pangaga. Sasing the Shamba, me were hand by Craigie Tony.
Consumer Affairs Minister Karamsiam said on the occasion that right use of knowledge and intelligence will lead to successful life. He emphasized on the importance of teaching moral lesson to the inmates of the home, apart from education, which in turn will contribute towards making a better society.
Mioiba akoi se aina khalliba wakhalon aina tawriba thabak aina phangiba gyan Madugi niti niyom do sumna salakan dadi mathanda dum lakchaba pot amakak ne ado aina hauraiba punsidugya mari leinana aigi lamsat sajat wakhalon miyeng lairik laisu moral thaksi khasi mapung phana aikoi sahi tarani pangi mamangda tambal loisan bataragadi Kanao Mongi Mateng Pang, Kanao Mongi Manaka Leragas, Aigipunsi, Sembada, the Irai line of Toba Port Near.
A 4-day State Agricultural Fair 2019 has kicked off today at the Iboyama Subanglila Sanglen Palace compound, Imphal. The fair is organized by State Agricultural Management and Extension Training Institute, Samiti, Manipur, under the aegis of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, New Delhi, which will continue till 11th of this month. Addressing the inaugural function, Manipur Agriculture Minister V. Hungkalian said that the state economy boosts only when agricultural yield increases. He maintained that the fair will help farmers expose their produce to the masses. At the same time, Hungkalian said the event will also showcase different agricultural machineries to the people.
Manipur haibase economy se agriculture da lebani agriculture gi farmers sing se boost up to matamda ekoi Manipur gi economy se boost up to rakadabunina. It is very encouraging, and I appreciate the work done by the farmers and the institutions, KVK, COW, ICR gi institutions singna makhal tongan ba technology so torakpada aduga SMAM gi makhal tongan ba latest models agriculture implement singse yamna encouraging ore ekoi Manipur sida sigi implement sing aduga technology sing sijinama matamda ekoi agriculture gi pothok se 2022 phawbada ekoi gi agriculture pothok se double up toba yanana gi pandam ni haina haijage.
Today's program was also attended by Veterinary Director H. Chauba and Commissioner of Agriculture M. Joy. 42 stalls of KVK Imphal East and West ICAR, CAU, Horticulture, Veterinary, private entrepreneurs and other departments were put up at the venue. After unknown miscreants triggered a bomb near the More police station on Indo-Myanmar border town a few days back, another blast took place at a small lane located in between George High School and SIB office quarter under More Ward number 8 last night. There were no reports of casualties. Following the explosion, More Police Additional Superintendent of Police K.H. Robinson, Subdivisional Police Officer, Officer in Charge and Commandant of 43 Assam Rifles, Sumit Sood rushed to the site to take stock of the situation. There was no immediate claim of responsibility for the blast. Meanwhile, the Assam Rifles has reportedly tightened security measures in More following the blast incidents. The Assam Rifles has also intensified frisking and checking exercise in view of the worsening situation. Angry members of 13 different passenger service vehicles association today stormed the office of Assistant Registrar Cooperative Society Moirang demanding cancellation of registration done for e-rickshaws to allow passenger service in Moirang area and its surrounding places. General Secretary of United Diesel Auto Rickshaw Owners and Drivers Association, Udaroda Maiba, told media that the association has been demanding cancellation of registration done by e-rickshaws from the very beginning. It is learned that the registration process of e-rickshaw is done by ARCS office, Moirang. He also warned of hesitation if the concerned authority fails to look into the matter by 10th of this month.
January tang time panda e-rickshaw gi register taunanaba thimam putor khebedagi koi January tang kun manga da haiba e-rickshaw si association si semba yaroi hainai koi DCO amadi lairiba uje Moirangi sabde sar si dai koi athingba matham jaki haiba si yanaba mu purakpadagi sem gidre e-rickshaw si nauna muklaglaga semna na bo na badai koi na Moirang chengai lampak da koi hana su media gi thongda amadi khabar da DCO da SP da DC da koi che kaya biduna thingba kaya thami haiba sigi marak sida ngasi no manini sida koi Moirang da lairiba e-rickshaw gi association lama koi hojing Moirang gi lairiba registrar office da registrar tauduna lairame 2015 da athingba ama laina haiba registrar si taurambani haiba thingba sigi registrar tauramba e-rickshaw sigi mayokta aikoi association traum doina nasi khongjang nasi changsalapani mari lainabo authority na registrar office na haiba e-rickshaw gi registrar si date aikoi laiba tang tara phau sigi manung sida karigumba registrar si kakhat pidaba amasung thingjan khidaba thoklagati thingjan kaya changsanduna aikoi balgumba strike kumba kaya chathagani amasung masigi apa phattapuna ma se lairiba registrar tawbiramiba registrar office na daita pubigadabani haibasi aikoi na ngasi media.
On the other hand, ARCS office has clarified that registrations were done under Register Act through obtaining no objection certificates. A new official website of Bioscience, www.bioscience.org.in, was launched by NG Bhogendra MCS during a function at the conference hall of Eastern Garden at Kongba Laisramleka, Imphal East. Board of Director of Bioscience, Dr. A. Robinson, and other board members, staff and students of Bioscience were present during the website launch function. Dr. A. Robinson said that more than 40 students of bioscience have so far succeeded in clearing different entrance examinations. He added that the new website will give more knowledge about bioscience to the public.
University data amatungda finishing school loina polish tawna banga ang koise id competitive exams the face tawang amnaba natrag entrepreneurial skill the develop tawang amnaba adugi idea ta putok chabane aduga koina CSR net ki adagi JRF coaching tawrisidi koina funding yengak pane aduga laiba funds sina koina madugi equipment sing adagi setup library gumba adagi moigi practice tawna ba discussion tawna ba room gumba dum semak na ba koina establish tawjabane.
As a part of today's program, several achievers of bioscience were also felicitated.
Assembled here today.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break. But coming up next, mopping competition held as part of 4th Meitei Chanu 2019.
Presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India famed to certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hill. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles, 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available, financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangni Services at Malom Bajar, Imphal West, Manipur. Or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87877-23780.
Red Soper, an online store based on indigenous food items. Iramdamgi oiba chanaba potlamsing online da Red Soper gi khuthangda laina phangbigani.
Delivers to all over India. Yamna thuba matamda delivery gi khudong chabasu phangbigani. Delhi gi oinadi iramdamgi oiba mana masing sing su phangbigani. Masida sunatana same day delivery gi khudong chabasu pijari.
Available for both Android and iOS.
Get 20% off on your first order. Download now for free.
Red Shopper. Get local.
Welcome back after the break. As a part of 4th Meitei Chanu 2019, the organizing committee of the Beauty Pageant today conducted a mopping competition for the participants at the community hall of Khurai Ningthobung, Imphal East. Talking to reporters on the sidelines of the event, member of the organizing committee Now Singlen Mangang said that the mopping competition is held to preserve the age-old tradition of women mopping their residential courtyards as a part of their daily household chores.
Thauramasi tasengna aikoi ngasi mitaigi yumsarolda sonapunggi maru oibabu ningsingminaba amadi sonupungda karamna imaibel sina wai tarambage haibadu khangminnanabagi pandamda sinjabani wai taibajina chanura singda haksangi sajel oina haksangda kanaba piba loinana masina yum adugi thaksi khasi dasu kanaba piba yamna mamal leiraba imaibel singna matam aduda kaidana chatharamba hawong asibu ngasigi mirolna Kaunarik libasi ningsang duna lainaba amadi nomatang oirabasu ima ibel singna pangthoklamba thoram sing odubo akoi punna khaminanabagi pandamda masigi thoram asi sinjaban.
Rongmei Naga Students Organization Manipur RNSOM has claimed that officials and staff in various government departments of Tamenglong and Nona districts are regularly found absent from office and that the absenteeism rate is very high. Hence, the public are unable to get addressed their grievances due to the situation. A press release said, given the circumstances, the organization said it will monitor every government departments in None and Tamenglong districts from now onwards. The concerned ministries and departmental heads will be pressurized to take up disciplinary action against any officer or employees who are found absent from the office, it warned. In connection to the 6th day of Ima Panthoibi Irat Thoni, several saplings were distributed to priests and priestesses of 6 different venues of Ima Panthoibi Irat Firm in Kaching today. In this regard, Rains Forest Officer and Munal Meitei told media that the saplings were distributed with an objective to help keep a check on climate change to some extent. A team of National Disaster Response Force NDRF, Guwahati and Jiri police personnel managed to recover the body of Al Jerry, who went missing after he fell into the Jiri River yesterday. A combined team of NDRF comprising of 12 members and Jiribam police led by Inspector Balkishan reached the spot this morning around 8 a.m. The operation started at around 8:30. District Deputy Commissioner Mayang Lambam Rajkumar also came to the site to oversee the rescue work. It may be mentioned that Lauriam Jerry Singh, aged 20 years, son of L. Jiten Singh from Kalinagar Part 1 Jiribam, had gone missing since yesterday after he drowned in the Jiri River. District Superintendent of Police M. Movi Singh also joined in supervising the rescue work. Chingmai Park Laikan Loop today observed Mera Ho Chongba, during which gifts were exchanged between the people of hills and valley. The celebration was held at Mikoluk Hengang Ching Hanjing Chingmai MP R.K. Ranjan, village chief of Langthabal Khaupum Goldaimai Moirang Chau Kabui, chief of Fungam village, Wongnaupam Horam, village chief of Karok Maring, PH Leivul took part in the event. As a part of the function, the participants planted tree sapling in and around the venue. R.K. Ranjan lauded the efforts made to unite the people. Speaking at the event, advisor of Chingmai Park Laikan Loop, Bidhu Kuman, said that people should not be confused over two dates of Mera Ho Chongba this year. Additional Deputy Commissioner Imphal East Shamin Ahmed has informed that all preparations have been put in place for conducting Army recruitment rally under the supervision of Army Recruitment Office, Rangapahar, from 10th till 18th of October. He informed this during a press meet at Luang Pokpa Cricket Stadium. Shamin Ahmed said more than 11,000 candidates from across the state are taking part in the recruitment rally. He added that the recruitment rally will be held in 5 categories.
Thank our Pradhan Desh Luang Sangbam Cricket Ground, President and Secretary, whoever the Laikai people, Moigi support Yaudragati, Okuna Tori, Tabak Amat, my Pakte, Adana, Hena cooperation PBU.
On the other hand, recruiting officer Sanjeev Malik told media that the upcoming Army recruitment rally is exclusively for the state of Manipur. He further informed that recruitment of Army, Pharma and nurse assistants for the Northeast region will be conducted in December next.
There is no specific number as such. These vacancies are in fact, I must do mention that we have a very huge number than compared to the last time. It's almost like doubled. See, these things are classified because we keep getting these inputs from the army headquarters. They may not be able to specify that, but compared to the rally that we had last year in Churachandpur, the vacancies are almost this time double. So we do expect a good response from the candidates, and more so I would also appeal those who have actually passed after this thing, they should pay more attention to the written examination part, because that is where the kids actually lose out and they're not able to pass. So they need to pay attention after clearing. You have a clear cut 1 month, they should study hard in that duration.
Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Haripriya Chongram giving you news in
Hana na fanglamba kang lafut ki product singi mathakta anuba product sing haibadi Milky Balls asomya mixture amadi alu bhujia na chingba sing asi hauzik iramdam gi kaithel da fangle kangla gi anawa product sing asi mayam su amungtang mahau yingbi Kangla
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lawbi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. In connection with the 43rd Raising Day of People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, Pre-Park Progressive Chairman of the outfit L. Paliba has extended revolutionary salute to the departed cadres besides extending greetings to the people and other revolutionary groups. Citing the recent revocation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir, L. Paliba in the message given through a press release expressed apprehension that the government of India could scrap all special rights given in the Constitution to the tribal people of Northeast region. On the other hand, on the occasion of the outfit 43rd Raising Day, acting chairman of the People's Revolutionary Party of Kangleipak, Pre-Park, also extended revolutionary salute to all departed cadres of the outfit who sacrificed their life in the course of struggle. In a statement, the outfit also extended warm greetings to the people and all revolutionary organizations in VC. A voluntary blood donation camp was jointly conducted today by Naurem Youth Library and Development Organization NYLDO, PRDA Bishnupur Action at LRP Project and Blood Bank of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences Jenims Porompat at Panthoibi Hauraubung Naurem. The blood donation camp was organized on the concluding day of a 3-day medical awareness program. MLA of Nambol constituency and Loken attended the event. Assistant Secretary of PRDA and TOMTV Bishnupur correspondent Dr. H. Roman also took part in the event as resource persons. Talking to TOMTV, Dr. H. Roman informed the masses to not fear in donating blood, saying it does not affect one's health. He added that he has already donated blood for 41 times and also appealed the public to donate blood. More than 40 individuals donated blood during the camp and every donor was given certificates.
EC ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯅꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏ ꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯨ 이시 비미너시 아두가 이 비르마도 나이코이주 학장 누아이나 야이퍼나 학장 퍼를 레미너시하고 함제 탐자리.
The allegation that Jonathan Pamay and his family of Maibam Kawi village under Nambol police station were asked to leave the village yesterday on ground of converting to Christianity is baseless and fabricated, said Pamay Gangamlung, a member of Palchangfan Maibam Kawi village. He clarified this while talking to reporters at the residence of village chief of Maibam Kawi village today. Pamay also clarified that viral videos and statements on social media on villagers destroying Jonathan's house were totally wrong and it does not support any virtue to this real story. Pamay explained that Jonathan and his family were excommunicated from the village because of the fact that the family and Jonathan himself had failed to abide by the Kabui customary law and rituals.
Ojik Jonathan hariba magi hek Pominaba Machanupi Nupase, Nagalian Nagini, Maming and Nahom Kawi. Nahom has a innocent IMG Kedar Amani High, Mase, a quick kungi issues that Jonathan Mag Nupisna, Nahom, innocent gi Kedars that man of more imuna phone to Raga, Nahomsna, quick kungi Tobeda, innocent gi letter heta J Matare. Hariba letter heta even Marundi. Aji kunsta Jonathan koi imungbu Christian oibgi tanthok pani habdo tanthok pa yaroi nungsi tanana nei hingmin na lemina gdo bini habe moroni irai du bokoi kundi moida Christian ni habe moida inthok balete kunadi adu bu moi si mathak da moi inesian gi moi nahom has na koi ithakte yamna thritan dore threaten tori maram di noi gi khun gi member mi maching ka thagalo akhoi matha digi na nungmai kap tharani halani haiba threaten tori plus moi na thang khoi imung da leba mi no madal kun thra dum gathering tole moi na khoi gi chathok chin toba matam da ki hali khoi throba matam da khoi nungmai myam du puthoro nungmai jo chi thamudob ni nungmai to khoi kap dob ni haiba myam wa se khoi bu ta na ba na mon threat and harassment myam tori si myam se.
Private School Development Council PSDC Thobal observed its 11th Foundation Day today at the Multipurpose Hall of Fancier Higher Secondary School Thobal Okram Wangmataba. Chief Advisor of PSDC and also the Headmaster of EGF School Thobal, Dr. O. Ibo Pisak, Chairman of KM Blooming High Secondary School, KH Menjor Mangang, and retired Wing Commander of Indian Air Force AK Deven graced the function as main guest. Addressing the function, KH Menjor underlined on the need of proper education and role of teachers and parents toward ensuring peace and development in the society. It is worth mentioning that Private School Development Council Thobal was set up by 18 different private schools of the district with an aim to bring a modern competitive education system in the region. As a part of today's event, selected outstanding teachers and students of the region were also felicitated.
Ojaasing asina apaba habit, apaba character, apaba lamsa sajak, wangang sanga pijat saksa kuding mak angang singda tambiduna angang singda student hana kathopada hena chobumating pangbigan.
Ghari Youth Welfare Association GYWA Ima Panthoibi Irat Palup organized a one-day tree plantation program at Ghari of Imphal West today. The plantation was held on the theme Save Our Planet, Save Our Future. Volunteers of GWYA took part in the plantation drive. Over 30 saplings were planted during the program.
The Ghari Youth Welfare Association Ima Panthoibi Irat Palubna akoigi indigenous ki oiba akoigi Ima Panthoibi Irat sabaga loinana akoigi Pitribiki ngasi hongliba akoigi ainga sagi khal kharador basu kanmangam na ba haidana Panthoibi Irat pa gi saruk ama oinasu akoi ngasi gi nomagi oiba u thabagi program si akoi GYWA Ima Panthoibi Irat Palubna sinjaraga asugmana koi pangthok sabane.
Well, let's now have the sports news. In sports today, six-time champion MC Mary Kom advanced to the quarterfinals of the Women Boxing Championship today after a hard-fought victory in the last 16 stage. Mary Kom triumphs 5-0 against Thailand's Jutamas Jitpong, a spunky boxer who kept the veteran on her toes with the aggressive approach but just did not connect enough. The third-seeded Indian, who got a bye in the opening round, spent the first 3 minutes getting a good measure of her opponent before taking control of the proceedings. Mary Kom, chasing her first world medal in the 51 kg division, picked up pace in the second round and was especially sharp with her counterattacks. However, there was disappointment for India when former silver medalist Sawiti Bura, 75 kg, lost her pre-quarter-final bout in a split decision despite a valiant fight. India will be hosting the 3x3 basketball qualifiers for the 2020 Tokyo Olympics in March next year. Basketball World Governing Body FIBA has announced the tournament will feature 40 teams, 20 in each gender. The location will be announced later. 6 tickets, 3 per gender, to next year Olympics will be awarded at the Olympic qualifying tournament, said FIBA. In addition to the host teams, the remaining of the 40 participating teams have qualified through the FIBA rankings and the results of the FIBA World Cup held in Amsterdam on June 9, 2017. 3x3 was added to the Olympic program, and the discipline will be making its Olympic debut in Japan next year, where 8 team tournaments will be held for men and women. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Chief Minister Biren stresses on ponder about people's mindset. Manipur economy boost only when agricultural yield increases, says Hankalian. And Assam Rifles beefs up security on India-Myanmar border after More blast. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.